So you're getting your roof replaced and you're wondering how long it's going to take. First of all, that's a good question. It's a very common question that we hear from our customers. So the answer can vary. However, I'm going to answer based on a 2,500 to 3,500 square foot roof. Keep in mind, this is not the square footage of your home. This is the square footage of a roof. So your house, let's say you have a living area of 1,500 to 2,500 square feet. The roof is going to be slightly larger due to, of course, the slope of the roof. And in addition to that, the overhang of the roof. So if you look out your window or if you step outside your front door, you will see that from your exterior wall, there's still an overhang. So there's additional roof square footage. So considering that, the average roof is about 2,500 to 3,500 square feet. A roof of that size on a typical walkable roof with a 6 to maybe 8-man crew at most should take one day. However, here in Texas, for example, that will vary. We have a temperature that varies, so if it's in a cool fall day, one day should be expected. However, on a 95-degree plus summer day, our crew will naturally work slightly slower and maybe need additional breaks. So therefore, a day or a project that should take one day may end up taking 1.5 days to maybe even 2 days. So I hope that answers your question. As far as an average walkable roof, it should take about 1 to 2 days. Now, if you know that you live in a huge mansion, then you should expect maybe it to take maybe one more to 2 days in addition to the average roof. Also, we consider any complex roofs and, of course, skylights or maybe additional accessories like extra chimneys and whatnot. So I hope that answers your question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.